Hello, my name is Christine and welcome to the video. Enjoy!
So hey, my name is Christine. Welcome back to my channel, and today is another update. Dahil kanina ko lang din itong napag-isipan and kind of also pinagdesisyonan na gusto ko lang bumalik sa pag-vlogging. I know na majority of my content has been story time lately. And yun lang talaga yung naging idea ko talaga. Tulad na to, story time na to, kumbaga. Kasi, nai-enjoy ko naman yung story time, pero at the same time, I kind of miss the vlogging kasi doon nagsimula yung channel ko talaga. And, I don't know, yung sharing of my everyday life and mga kaganapan ko sa buhay, ganun. I would love to share it. Pero kasi, ayun, mas naging comfortable kasi ako sa pagsa-story time nun. Dahil nga, ang pinaka main problem ko na dapat totally kong pinapractice is vlogging in public or vlogging outside. Kasi nga, wala nga namang mag-film ka na mag-film tapos may mga taong nakatingin sa'yo. Like, ang awkward nun, diba? So, that's why I stopped vlogging for a while. And, yeah, I will try to vlog in public or vlog in general. So, yeah, that has been my update. Hopefully, I could stick to it. So, like, subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Bye!